Remember, guys, all these retards that say they don't solder shit because of a high vibration location, they're the guys doing this kind of crap. And guess what? I'm here fixing it. I couldn't imagine being so fucking retarded that you think this mess looks better than this shit, or would function better, or be at that, you know. But I guess there is some of those people out there, you know, whatever. So yeah, fresh leads for our headlight. It's gonna get put on later. Our charge port, and there we go. Alright. And then I come hit it with the Tessa and make you look even more retarded, bro. Don't even try me, dude. I've been doing this shit way too long.